Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you these two breakouts. One is from this big falling wedge pattern, and after that the price end has broken out the smaller falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And after the breakout, the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $6.36 that has been previously working as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And also here, it was breaking as a resistance. And on this candlestick, you can see it worked as a nice support as well. Therefore, again, you can see it is breaking as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signal worked, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of December 2023 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for VU network, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. On this chart, you can also watch the date when I shared this trade signal. For example, in this case, I shared on 17th of December 2023. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after clicking this button, you can see it is showing us that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. Previously, you can see it was moving inside this big falling wedge pattern, and after this huge drop, the price line also found a quite long-term support here at $2.68 that had been also working as a nice support after that here in the month of June 2023 when we had a fake out from this falling wedge pattern. From the next falling wedge pattern, the price then bounced from this support and re-entered the same falling wedge pattern. And finally, we also broke out the next falling wedge pattern as well. And imminently after breaking out this next falling wedge pattern, the price then also broke out this long-term resistance of $4.60. And previously, this level had been breaking as a resistance here, support here, and support here for several weeks as well. And therefore, again, this level can break as a strong support if the price then will be moved more down to test this level. You can see we are very close to hit this support after getting rejected by this next long-term resistance of $6.36. You can see after this rejection, the price is moving down. And once it will be reached there to test the support of $4.60, then there will be a very high probability that we may have another bounce to the upside to make another attempt to break out the resistance of $6.36. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then the target for this recent breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $9. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.